Secondary School, Tanmalpuram, Malanambari Block, Kene District. Our school students are going to explain the meanings of comparison.
I am pizza.
I am vegetable.
Pizza is trendier than vegetables.
Vegetables are healthier than pizza.
Pizza is more attractive than vegetables.
Vegetables are more wholesome than pizza.
Pizza is less affordable than vegetables.
Vegetables are more nutrients than pizza.
Pizza is more tastier than vegetables.
Vegetables are colorful than pizza.
Pizza is more favorite than vegetables to children.
Vegetables are cheaper than pizza.
Pizza is costlier than vegetables.
Vegetables are not kids' favorite than pizza.
Pizza are not cheaper than vegetables.
Thank you.
And bike.
I am bicycle. Bicycles are more eco-friendly than bike.
Bike is costlier than bicycle.
Bicycle is safer than bike.
Bike is speeder than bicycle.
Bikes are more expensive than bicycle.
Bike is tailored than bicycle.
Bikes are speeder than bicycle.
Bikes is more favorite than bicycle to kids.
Bicycle is easier than bike to ride.
Bicycle is cheaper than bike.
Bicycles are less risk tolerant than bike.
Bicycle is not expensive than bike. Bike is more less
tolerance
than bicycle.
I am radio. I am touch mobile. Radio is not educational than the mobile. Mobile is more educational than radio. Radio is not interesting than the mobile. Mobile is more interesting than radio. Radio is older than the mobile. Mobile is trendier than radio. Radio has less facility than the mobile. Mobile is fancier than radio. Radio is cheaper than the touch mobile. Mobile is costlier than radio. Thank you. The orange water bottle is taller than the silver water bottle. The silver water bottle is costlier than orange water bottle. The silver water bottle is weighter than the plastic water bottle.
A scale is taller than the B scale. B scale is shorter than the A scale. B scale is cheaper than the A scale.
The blue color ribbon is taller than pink color ribbon. The blue color ribbon is taller than the pink color ribbon.